Is it still going to work if your cat gets diarrhea and is splattered everywhere in this PetPivot automatic scooping litter box? And to make it fun, let's pretend you also peed a lot as well. And don't worry, you're not gonna be paying $700 for this one. Normally it's automatic. I put in manual mode just to show you the secret. Look closely. Before it even scoops, it covers the waste with clean litter first. This is a game changer because it dries everything out and locks in the odor, so you don't get those gross poop smears all over the inside. My old expensive robot did that constantly, and it was a nightmare to clean. Safety-wise, this is top tier. If your cat jumps in, the sensors freezes the machine instantly. It sifts the clean litter and dumps the clumps into this huge 2.6-gallon bin. And because the design never fully rotates closed, your cat can never get trapped or pinched inside. I honestly only have to empty this maybe once every twice a month. When it's full, you just pull this yellow string to tie the bag off. You never have to look at or smell the waste. There is a reason 130,000 cat owners choose this litter box, and you have 30 days to try it out. If you don't like it, you just return it and get your money back. It ships straight from New Jersey, not China, so you can get it fast. And it comes with a litter mat and 10 months of bags. I'll link it for you somewhere in this video. If you can see it, they might still have a few left.